So one of the fascinating things that is amazing is that there are so many different gems available to us today. We have around about 4,800 minerals available to us. These are species, different species. And so many of them come in the same color as one another because we don't have that many different colors. And so this is one of the reasons why you can never tell a gemstone by its color. Also, we have to understand more about the actual material itself. We understand that every mineral species has a chemical composition and a crystal structure, and that can't be seen. That's why we need the gemological equipment, because the only way to identify then is to do that kind of testing and to understand what chemical composition and crystal structure the material is. Once we know that, then we can seriously identify it.